Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to slow down video in Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to Invideo's website. After that, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on your dashboard. Here, select My Projects. Now navigate to your project. Double click it and navigate to the editor of Invideo. So first of all, choose the video that you want to slow down. So I'm going to choose this video by clicking on this plus button and clicking on add. So this is the normal speed of this video. Now if I would want to slow down this video using Invideo, I will have to simply click on this speed button at the top of this editor. When I click on speed, I will have this range selector. In this range selector, the default for this video will be normal. Now, if you want to slow it down, simply select any range above this normal text. If you would want to increase the speed of this video, you will have to choose any range below this normal text. So I'm going to slow it down by 0.75%. So I will click on 0.75. Now I will play this. As you can see, this video has been slowed down. If you want to slow it even further, you'll have to choose a smaller time frame and click on the play button. As you can see, I just slowed down this video pretty easily just by clicking on this speed button. So that's the simple way to slow down a video in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.